Hello guys, today I show you very nice product. So I hope you already guys hot product review today. This is very nice product and you already know what company product I show today. This is a Singer company blender and full review the blender quality, how much to the blade, and I am already using 1 year, 2 year plus. Then review. You see already the product fresh condition, no have any problem faces from now time. So I think I have, it's my opinion, I think it's very good product and very hopeful for you because a very important product for every day. Here is I see some blades because when your blade damage, uh, it's very work for you. Here is a blade and blade stand. So I have a, there is a stainless steel pot. There have you all kinds of vegetables blendering and all kind of masala you can blending. Here is I see the vegan, and this is juice making, and you can cold coffee, milkshake, wario shake, lassi, and what kind of juice you can make from this pot. So I hope this is my product very choice, and this is the here this product cap. So this is the very good product for me. I hope you will buy and enjoy. So let's buy today.